Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Vogue. This car is next due for a service in November 21. As you can see, you have privacy glass, a powered tailgate, which is definitely easier when you have your hands full. Plenty of space there for your personal items such as golf clubs or pushchairs. And you can close the boot using that button or the one on your key. And continuing on around the car, you also have keyless entry, so if I lock the vehicle, I can open the car just by pulling the handle as long as the key is near me. Range Rover script tread plates and a gorgeous leather interior which is easier to clean than cloth. A fixed panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. However, you do also have a sunblind which can be controlled electrically. A fridge compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys often and want to keep refreshments cold. Touchscreen with different functions including sat nav, if you're ever in an area you're not familiar with. You also have a 2D and 3D option depending on your preference. Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone to use it for calls whilst on the go. A rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier, especially in a bigger car. Heated front seats, which is a luxury especially in winter. And you do also have heated seats in the back, which ensures that all passengers are kept happy. Different driving modes depending on the weather or where you may be driving, including grass, gravel and snow, sand, mud ruts and rock crawl. Suspension, whether you want it higher for off-roading, normal for just driving or lower to make it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. Controls on your wheel, including cruise control and a speed limiter, and a heated steering wheel, which is luxury in winter. Memory seats, which is handy if there's several people in and out of the car, and a Meridian sound system, making each journey that little bit more enjoyable. This car has done 55,094 miles. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Range Rover autobiography. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.